Glad no one stole my weapons. Need to be careful. I'm no longer the Oni's personal guest. I'm coming, brother.
Anyone to see his face. That's why he dines alone at the top of the keep.
We all have scars. How bad can it be?
Legend has it the swordsmith's daughter sliced him from eye to mouth. He can't drink without drooling.
That's just a ghost story. They say she is here, in Ishikari Plain.
The Onyo. You weren't scared when the samurai arrived. The woman's got you spooked.
Have you not heard the rumors how she rose from the dead to kill the snake?
I've heard that. We have a demon of our own. Whoever this Onyo is.
Check. Never lost a fight.
What are you?
What's the quickest way to the holding cells?
Up that ledge, past the drums. Did Commander Water send you?
No, but don't lose hope.
We would have enough water for the journey.
This is the prison. Where's Jubei?
Anyone seen Kanta? Probably still licking his wounds after getting his ass kicked by that bounty hunter. That would mean he's leaking his ass.
Ugh. Jubei!
Sir.
Hold on, I'll free you. Are you alright?
It's just a few bumps and bruises. I think they want to keep me fresh for tomorrow's labor. Is that sake? Have you been drinking?
I had to play the part.
A little too well.
The Oni is at the top of the keep. If we hurry, we can kill him and get out before anyone notices.
We can't leave the other prisoners. They're my clan.
Don't draw too much attention. We're here for the Oni.
After he's dead, then. The rescue would fetch a nice reward.
Fine. I'll come back for them.
Thank you.
Don't thank me yet. We still have to face the Oni. There are too many guards to head straight for the castle.
We can use the cliffs to go around. Over here. The bars are loose.
How did you make this discovery?
By trying to pry them open. Why did you think they tied me up? Down this way. Where did the Oni take you?
To the throne room. He's filled it with trophies, including Father's old saya.
Why would he keep that?
I don't know, but I negotiated it as part of my reward.
That was risky. He could have remembered you. All across Ezo, people whisper of a vengeful ghost. What if they connect you to the Night of the Burning Tree?
Do the Matsumai even know about your family? Your real family?
What good would that do anyone?
There's the keep.
The castle is further along than our scouts reported. None of this is what I expected. Certainly not the Oni.
What do you mean?
In my memories, he's a brute. More monster than man. But he's articulate and admired by his men.
Makes you wonder why he's loyal to Saito.
Because he is samurai. And Saito is his lord.
That doesn't excuse what he's done.
No, it does not.
See the light at the top of the keep? That's where we'll find the Oni.
There's no way across. What now?
We jump.
Very funny. Atsu! I just lost 10 years of my life watching you do that.
Use your fingers to guide your way down. But keep them loose, or they'll snap.
This is beyond reckless.
Almost there. We can use that scaffolding to reach the top of the keep.
You're putting a lot of faith in bamboo.
Too tall to climb.
Maybe on your own. Give me a boost. I'll pull you up.
Once inside, I'll cut his throat so he can't scream. Then you finish him off.
Is that how you killed the snake?
The snake was a drunk. The Oni is a general who can bring an entire army down on us.
It just doesn't feel honorable.
And what he did to Father, was that honorable? Jubei, it doesn't matter how he dies, so long as he's dead. This is it. For Father?
For Father.
Where is he?
I knew there was something off about you. The mask, the way you looked at your so-called prisoner. But it wasn't until you demanded your father's sire as payment that I put it together.
Atsu!
I'm fine. The Oni...
It's over, Atsu. We have to go!
Assassins! They're climbing down the keep! Stop them!
We need to reach the horses!
Find me, boy.
This way! Atsu!
Keep going!
Through here! Come on! They're coming!
Good boy, Shibaki! Hold on!
We need a plan!
The plan is to ride hard and stay alive. Push through! You still with me?
I'm here!
Keep up! Archers! Let me see.
It's fine.
One of the Oni raiders said Maggoro found a secret way out of the castle. We'll question him, and next time...
Next time? Hatsu. We barely made it out alive. I defied my clan and abandoned my brothers to follow you.
None of this would have happened if you'd brought Maggoro like you promised.
We could have saved dozens of innocent lives tonight. But you chose death.
I chose to avenge our father!
Our father would want us to fight for the living! Not sacrifice them for revenge!
Our family was murdered! And all you care about is playing samurai! Where are you going?
You once said we were strangers because of the Oni and the Yotei 6. You were right. I don't know you. And I don't think I want to.
We don't need him, boy. Maggoro is still our best lead. We need to free him from the Matsumaya camp. That's right. More wolf hunters. Time to go hunting. Oni raiders! Don't worry. I have your salmon right here. Go on. No need to thank me. Mad Goro is still the samurai's prisoner. Hopefully they let me in.
Yuake, leave, or there will be trouble.
I have business with one of your prisoners, Mad Goro.
Commander Wada gave explicit orders. You are not welcome here. Turn around before I cut you down.
Relax, I'm going. I'll need to find my own way in. Mad Goro is my best shot at getting another chance at the Oni.
Rather be out riding a horse right now.
We don't need any help.
Lady?
Settlers are helping to build their bridge.
Sometimes it feels like we are trading one master for another.
doesn't burn people alive.
So much smoke in the air.
The bridge is nearly finished. If I climb across, I may see another way into the camp.
Why wait to send for reinforcements? By the time they arrive, the bridge will be complete.
Because if something goes wrong, they'll be stuck in that canyon, vulnerable to Oni raider attacks.
You sound like the old boy. I heard you tried to assassinate
I'll see more from higher up. There we go. I can see the entire camp. Now to find a way inside. The Oni's training is more brutal than Clan Matsumae's, and more effective. I can enter the camp from up there.
Same time tomorrow, gentlemen?
I know that voice.
Another visit to the hot springs might loosen my memory.
Take him back to his cell.
Mad Goro, making friends wherever you go. Where are they taking you? To the edge of the camp. Lucky. I'll wait until mealtime. There'll be fewer guards. The way is clear. Slip in, question Goro. and get out. The samurai will never know.
Is that my dinner? Oh, I'm starving. Well, well, well. If it isn't my old friend. To what do I owe the pleasure?
Rumor has it you know a way into the Oni's castle.
Maybe. Why should I tell you?
Because I can get you out of here.
The Matsumai are good to their prisoners. Regular food and baths. My rash has even cleared up.
They won't be so nice once you run out of information.
I still have my winning personality.
Are you willing to gamble your life on that?
Fine. Break me out and I'll tell you what you want to know.
Where are the keys?
With the gods.
Too risky. I'll find another way to free you. Those boards look loose. Try pulling them.
With my bare hands? I'd get splinters.
Just do it.
No luck. And I popped the blister.
If I can get inside, my hook could pull them free.
Sometimes they wake up wet. Maybe there is a hole in the roof?
Why else would you... Never mind. Don't answer that. There's some old patchwork up here. Maybe I could...
Hey there. I have an idea.
What did you do?
I hit it with my chamber pot. Don't worry. I'm naturally dehydrated.
Ugh. Someone might have heard. We need to go. I'll go first.
Worried I will run?
You have a hit. Let's go.
All right, all right.
Wait. I hear someone.
You just couldn't stay away.
Mad Goro is my bounty.
You're already wanted by the Yotei 6. Are you so determined to make an enemy of the Matsumai as well?
I don't care about your clan.
Then care about me. I've built a life amongst these samurai.
They don't even know what happened to you that night.
And I don't want them to.
Is now a bad time to mention no one brought me dinner?
I'll let the gods know. I have to escort my sister outside of Ishikari Plain.
You can't be serious.
You infiltrated a Matsumai camp and attempted to free one of our prisoners. I should be arresting you. Now come on. There'll be hell to pay if Commander Wada sees you. This way.
Safe travels!
There is nowhere you can take me that I won't find a way back to the Oni.
You can't reach him if he's dead. The bridge is nearly complete. Soon hundreds of samurai will pour across it to defeat the Oni in battle.
A battle will achieve nothing except needless death.
Enough! I won't be swayed from my duty. Not again.
Matsumae! To arms!
Oni raiders!
Woman, bounty hunter!
She's with us!
Commander Wada said...
Focus on the Oni raiders! This is our camp! We will not yield!
Here they come! For the Oni! They're through the gate!
Kill the stragglers!
With me! Hold the gate!
I'm coming!
March for the together!
Push them back!
Pushing them back!
Focus on the four here! Stop their fire! We almost have them! Don't falter now! Good work!
More Bohia!
They're targeting the bridge! This is retribution for our attack at the castle!
I'll deal with the Bohia. You protect the camp.
This isn't your fight!
Want my help or not?
Thank you, Atsu.
Matsumai, with me! Back to the camp! Assassinate the Oni!
Light-ridden bastard. Oni raiders have pushed Jubei back to the bridge. I need to get their attention. Let's give them a taste of their own fire. That's it. Look at me. Come on. I'm coming, brother.
I'll make this to the...
Jubei won't last long.
Get ready!
This time, I need to get to Jubei. Jubei!
They won't take this bridge!
We'll fight them off together!
There's more coming!
Stay close, I'm with you!
Rats tried to kill the Oni! You will regret coming here! Free the scum! How long has the Oni been planning this?
Doesn't matter, just keep fighting!
So many of them!
The man in front of you is all that matters!
Tried to take my life. Did you think there wouldn't be consequences?
You murdered our father and left me to burn! Don't talk to me about consequences.
Oni, let's finish this as warriors! Warriors? I see only children. Children too weak to save their father or themselves. Fire!
Jubei! Come on, we have to swim.
The bridge. My men.
Swim, Jubei. It's a long way to shore.
It's over.
Jubei.
I must return to camp. This is all my fault.
That bridge was a threat to the castle. Lord Saito's future seat of power. The Oni was always going to attack.
You never were very good at comforting me.
Because you get upset at the wrong things. You almost died today.
I thought if I could save that bridge... I don't know. The camp's on top of this ridge.
What are you expecting to find?
I have to see it. The survivors will retreat to the northern camp.
Guess that's where you will go.
Back on the bridge. You said the Oni left you to burn.
They pinned me to the tree with Father's sword. Then the Oni put a torch to it. I pulled myself free before I caught fire.
What?
I don't want your pity. Just for you to understand why I can't let this go.
I'm sorry. I expected you to follow the rules of my life without knowing the first thing about yours.
You tried. But I've been alone for so long.
I will help you kill the Oni.
But what about your duty to the Matsumae?
Let me worry about that. You need to find a new lead. I doubt Matt Goro survived the Oni's attack.
I wouldn't be so sure.
What did you do?
I loosened a board so he could escape.
I'll ask if anyone's heard about Matt Goro at the northern camp. Tell the guards Lord Kitamori is expecting you. They'll let you in.
You're going to tell us everything we want to know about this Onyo!
Hey you guys, thanks again for watching that Gentleman Jug play. Please check out all the other things that Gentleman Jug has to offer, especially all the videos. And if you like this video, please do all the other things all the other YouTubers tell you to do. And check out the Gentleman Jug cast, pretty much available wherever you can listen to your Jug cast. Peace out! Genius of my sound, born at the bottom, but now I'm top down. Look, I'ma call it swagger. I slip through time zones like a cloak and dagger. Man.